Hi, welcome to this guide on getting your YSI ProQuatro set up for calibration and ready for use in the field. In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the key parameters on your meter so your sensors have the right settings and display the right units of measure. We'll cover how to navigate the setup menus, adjust the sensor options, and make sure everything is correctly enabled before you start taking measurements. This helps ensure your readings are consistent, accurate, and tailored to the job you're doing. The setup menu allows you to configure each installed sensor by selecting its measurement type, specifying the membrane used, and enabling or disabling parameters. To configure the dissolved oxygen sensor, highlight DO and press Enter. The instrument supports two DO sensor types depending on the probe installed. Polarographic. This is the black body sensor. Polarographic sensors are used in situations where you require longer life expectancy and higher resolution at low DO levels. Galvanic. This is the grey body sensor shown here. Galvanic sensors are used in situations where you require immediate, instant-on results with no wait time and has better performance in low-flow applications. The selection between Polarographic and Galvanic determines the sensor's warm-up behavior and internal chemistry. The instrument default setting is Galvanic, and this is what we provide with our rental kits. Please change the sensor type to match the correct sensor. If you observe readings very close to zero or extremely high readings, for example 600%, your sensor setting type, Galvanic or Polarographic, may be set up incorrectly, and you should ensure it matches the sensor installed on your cable. Next, select the membrane type installed on the DO sensor. Highlight the membrane type and choose from 1 ml FEP Teflon, which is black, 1.25 ml polyethylene, which is yellow, or 2 ml PE, which is blue. The correct membrane thickness is essential for proper response time and DO diffusion characteristics. For our purposes, we'll select the 1.25 PE yellow membrane. The membrane material affects the response time of the sensor as well as the sensor's flow dependence. A DO membrane needs water movement across the membrane to read accurately as the sensor consumes oxygen during measurement. If the water is still, the probe depletes oxygen at the tip, causing DO readings to drop or become unstable. The 1.25 PE membrane strikes a good balance between flow dependence and sensor response time. Under the conductivity setup menu, you can enable or disable the sensor, select the temperature coefficient, the TDS constant, and choose the salinity or resistivity calculation mode. The temperature coefficient defines how conductivity is corrected to 25 degrees C. The default is 1.91% per degree Celsius, following the potassium chloride standards. The sensor display menu defines what parameters appear on the live measurement screen and are recorded by the device. Only sensors that are enabled in the setup menu can be displayed. Temperature display. This can be in degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. Dissolved oxygen display. This can be in milligrams per liter, percent saturation, or ppm depending on the model. Conductivity display. This can be in microsiemens per centimeter or millisiemens per centimeter. Resistivity, salinity, or TDS in milligrams per liter. YSI displays. pH display. You can choose between either pH or millivolts. ORP display. ORP can be selected in millivolts. Thanks for watching our setup guide on the YSI ProQuatro. We hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos in the series to get the most out of your instrument. And always, if you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet scientific office on 1-800-000-744.